So I did an oopsie. Ever get into like crochet and you're just going and going and going and going, and all of a sudden you're like, wait, I haven't cornered off in a while. Like, what the hell? So you look, right? And you get something like this, where it looks good, still looks cute, looks good, right? But I haven't cornered off in like 2-3 rounds. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Okay, guys, please excuse the noises in the background. The kids are stomping and being really loud, but I don't feel like unraveling this, right? Because it doesn't look bad. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna yarn over. I'm gonna go through the bottom here. I'm gonna pull up. You know, really kind of like make my own corner. See how I took half of the other one? And I'm just going to do this, right? Kind of do some adjusting, do some tightening, so I can really make it kind of look unnoticeable, right? And then I'm just going to connect these two like this. Okay, so then you get kind of this, and you're going to go in one with a slip knot up here in this corner, and voila. I mean, you can kind of tell a little bit. This is just something I'm making a pot holder. Didn't feel like undoing it because relatively it still looks real cute and real good. You're welcome. Also, just kind of wanted to show you the end result after I clipped it and I tightened everything down. It legit does not look bad. So we're going with it, guys.